Pharmacology can feel like a mountain, dozens of drug names, endless side effects, mechanisms of action, and drug classes. But what if I told you AI can help you learn it faster, better, and with less stress? Today, we'll explore how to use artificial intelligence to master pharmacology, whether you're a nursing student, medical professional, or just someone fascinated by how drugs work. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment your thoughts, and turn on notification for more on this channel. Why is pharmacology hard to learn? Let's be honest, pharmacology isn't just memorization. It requires understanding, recall, application, and clinical judgment. The volume of information, from drug classifications to interactions and contraindications, makes it one of the most overwhelming subjects in healthcare education. And traditional study methods like flashcards and textbooks can be time-consuming and boring. This is where AI becomes a game changer. So what can AI do differently to help? Artificial intelligence, especially language models and adaptive learning platforms, can generate personalized flashcards instantly, create simplified explanations of drug mechanisms, simulate clinical scenarios using interactive quizzes, act as a virtual tutor available 24/7. And best of all, AI can adapt to your learning pace, strengths, and weaknesses. What tools can you use today? Let's talk about real tools you can start using now. ChatGPT, or Claude AI. Ask it to explain drug classes in simple terms, or quiz you interactively. Quizlet plus AI add-ons. Generate smarter flashcards based on your notes. And Pinecone or Notion AI. Create pharmacology cheat sheets and summaries in seconds. Apps like Anki with AI plugins, spaced repetition becomes intelligent and personalized. You don't need to be a tech genius to use these. Just type in your questions. Some practical example? Learning beta blockers with AI. Let's do a quick demo in your mind. You ask ChatGPT, explain beta blockers like I'm 5. It might say, beta blockers slow your heart down and lower blood pressure, like pressing the brakes gently. Then you ask for the top 5 beta blockers with uses and side effects, and it gives you a clean table. Now you ask for a clinical case where a nurse administers metoprolol. Boom, real-world learning. This is how AI breaks complex info into manageable learning chunks. Any benefits of using AI for studying? Here's why AI is such a powerful tool for learning pharmacology. Saves time, no more scouring endless books. It boosts retention. Repetition plus understanding yield long-term memory. Reduces stress. You're not alone in the learning journey. Or custom learning. You can ask follow-ups, clarify confusion, and go at your own pace. And since AI is available 24/7, you're never without a study partner. Want some tips to maximize AI learning? Here's how to get the most out of your AI tools. 1. Ask questions in plain English. 2. Request visuals. Draw a diagram of how ACE inhibitors work. 3. Get AI to quiz you randomly. 4. Use tools like CapCut or Pictory to turn scripts into videos. 5. Combine AI flashcards with clinical practice questions. Make AI your study coach, not just a dictionary. Now, let's talk about cautions and limitations. AI is powerful, but not perfect. So, always verify drug information from trusted medical sources. Don't rely on AI only for clinical decision-making. If some AI tools might hallucinate or give outdated data, so treat AI as a supplement, not a replacement. Your critical thinking is still your strongest asset. My final thoughts? Learning pharmacology doesn't have to feel like drowning in drug names. With AI, you can study smarter, not harder. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe to the AI Nurse, and share this with everyone you know and your fellow students. Together, let's make tech work for us and make pharmacology easier, one drug at a time.